65,610. Feeling we had $1,000 off.
Hey Gabe.
Yeah.
Marketing just told me that they need me to do another video. Do you have like 10 minutes tops to help me out?
Yeah, we're kind of busy today, but yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, man. I got time.
Cool. Hey guys, Chad from Donley, Florida, Mount Vernon. Gabe, time out. Need to talk real quick.
All right, dude, you really got to bring that camera down. With this truck, my height, like it's going to make me look really short.
Okay.
I just do remember we talked about this low.
Okay.
Low.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. I understand.
So guys, I got a huge deal for you today. We have a 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat.
Hold on. It's Lariat.
Lariat?
Lariat.
Oh, okay.
It's not Lariat, not Lario, Lariat.
Okay, Lariat.
Yeah, this is our 6th take. Can we just Lariat?
Okay,
Lariat.
well, I got you.
So guys, like we said, with it being a Lariat, you have a really nice interior. You're gonna have black leather seats that are power adjustable. You also have the power pedals to help get them closer to you. So let's hop in here real quick. Dude, run it back.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
So guys, again, with this being the Lariat, you have a really nice interior, black leather seats, power adjustable pedals, power adjustable seats. So if you get in here, you see you have a lot of room. You also have your icy hot seats, which...
God, heated and ventilated seats. It's not icy hot.
Dude, I know.
Dude, we're gonna get in trouble. We've been out here for 20 minutes now. Like I'm pretty sure I've had 3 missed calls from Charlie. Like we need to get this done.
All right, dude.
We're gonna get in trouble.
Okay.
Come on, just focus up. Come on. One more time. Let's go.
All right, I got you. So guys, if you or somebody you know is looking for a nice Super Duty Lariat, go ahead and stop in and discover the Donley difference. All right, we got that. Great video. We're all good.
It's done, dude. We were up here for 30 minutes. I have 5 missed phone calls. I mean, this is just getting ridiculous, Chad. We have to rehearse this stuff working up here. I mean, it's freezing outside. I think we need to take a break from making videos for a while.
Dude, I thought you liked doing that with me.
It is, but when it's time consuming like this, it's hard to do this. I mean, I miss my lunch schedule. Like this is just crazy.
All right, I'll be better next time.
All right, man. Let's go.